my beautiful people, if you need alternative to rice, calm down and watch this video. Okay, you can see this packet I am pouring in the water is called spelts. Spelt is a type of wheat, so it is very easy to cook and prepare. If you don't know how to make it, watch this video till the end. You soak your spelt for some hours and allow it to soak before you cook it, because it can consume the whole of your gas when you don't soak it. After soaking it for some hours, then you wash it out this way, exactly what I am doing now in this video. Wash it thoroughly and remove that first water. Put enough water on your pot and start to cook your spelt. Put it to the fire. Okay, after 25 minutes your spelt is cooked. This is exactly how it looks like after 25 minutes when you soak it in enough time. Like mine, I do soak it a day before. I soak it overnight, then remove the water, sieve out the water from your spelt. Okay, after sieving out the water, for your spelt not to be kind of mold, you have to put in cold water to make it like it will stay on. I don't know how to say it. Then you prepare your vegetables. You can also prepare your spelt as if you're preparing a fried rice. Okay, attention, use less oil. Watch out this video and you will learn a better thing. Spelt is full of vitamins. It has a lot of fiber. It's unlike rice, when you know already that when your body breaks down the glucose of rice, it now turns to sugar. If you need alternative to rice, you choose spelts. Okay, you watch this video and see how I am preparing it. It's so awesome, it's so amazing. I think spelt is one of the good food you can eat when you want to put your body on weight loss. If you controlling your weight and you want to control your sugar intake, one of the good food you can eat is spelt. As you can see, I am going to be preparing it with these vegetables. I have sweet corn, I have green beans and carrots. You just prepare everything and toast everything together. You can see how beautiful it is. It's so awesome. There is no traces of oil on this pan. Make sure you don't drink oil from your food. It will help you. Then this is my already cooked spelt. You put it in your fried pan and add all the whole vegetables to it. Eat this and thank me later. Prepare this one and thank me later. I know what I am saying. This food is full of vitamin, it's full of fiber. This food has everything your body needs. Spelt is good for you, it's good for your children, it's good for the family as a whole. This is alternative to rice when you know you have too much sugar intake in your system. Thank you, God bless you. Don't forget to like, share this video to your profile, share it to your story. Prepare spelts, eat spelts, and you will thank me later. Guys. Beautiful. See how amazing it is. This is awesome, guys, and it's so tasteful. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.